Sheesh, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been so long. I miss holding this camera. I've been so busy. I've actually been training for work, so forgive me, but I'm back. I have like a month left. I have a month before we start working, so I'm gonna best believe I'm gonna enjoy the best of it, because once I start working, that's it. No more YouTube, no more meat. Working it 7 days a week for like 3 months. But let me explain myself so you guys can see like these tarps, the back tarps. So the doors have tarps. The fucking the ceiling has a tarp. It's just to prevent dust. I hate getting dust in my car, on my car. But yeah, actually on the next video, or maybe in this video, I don't know yet, cause I need to get this car running. So basically I need to change the spark plugs, the coils, and maybe the fuel injectors, maybe. But I want to do the giveaway. So the giveaway is gonna be, I'm gonna give away some detailing products, not from here, not from my personal, thing, but you know, 3 valves are known for ticking, so right? I need to get that fixed, by the way. But that doesn't cause any performance issues, like the misfire. The misfire, whew, can't even fucking gap behind the city. I'm actually gonna go pick up their new spark plugs from AutoZone. It's literally like a minute away, so I'm gonna go do that real quick. And yeah, I'll catch you guys once I'm out. Should have hit that ramp. Imagine ramping about. Oh my god. Yeah, that'll be some good content though. 100 likes and I'll ramp that. So I already got the spark plugs. Like, alright, so I don't know if you guys can see. You guys can barely see over there in the distance. I have a homie that drives I think he's a manager. I think he's a manager or something, but he drives that Nissan over there. I literally just walked in through the door and he was like, "Hey buddy, you came for the spark plugs?" I was like, "Yes sir." So like I tell everybody, it's good to make friends, because when you have a lot of friends, it helps you in the long run. Oh, jeez, about to take out the Malone kit. Damn my shit. That's the 3 valve over there. Have to go. Sheesh. This feels hella weird. Feels like I'm driving a bus. Fun fact, this used to be my first car, by the way. Well, not my first car, but when I first got my license, I used to whip this. I used to think I was the shit, I was the only one with the license at the time. I would take it to school. Fucking, I would fill up all this shit with the homies. Yeah, good ass memories. Oh yeah, and I got pulled over too for the first time in this. If you guys want to know, I did swing this. Yes, I did swing this Astro van leaving school, and a cop pulled me over right in front of school. And the thing is, I had to walk home looking like a dumb ass. But like I said, AutoZone's right here, so yeah, catch you guys once I'm there. Listen to that fucking cold stuff. Listen to that stuff. But I just came to get some. What the fuck is it called? Anti-seize. There you go. Got some of that for the spark plugs, and yeah, they look like fucking ketchup pouches. But yeah. But like I said, guys, 100 likes and I'll ramp this with the 3 valve. Fuck no. I'll destroy my fucking car. Not even the front end, I'll destroy everything. But I gotta do it for the views. Oh, they're hot. No, they're little. Like that.
Yeah, you want it?
Yeah. That one looks hella nasty.
Porque una es intake y otra es extra. Afuera.
Holy shit. Y tienes was gonna misfire. Holy shit. But rip. Alright. Let's hope that solves the issue, because if not, it's gonna be really expensive. It low-key sounds healthier. Like, alright, so we got the scanner. Don't mind my tequache boots, but we got the scanner right there. My uncle's actually checking it right now through his phone. Well, not right now, but he's messing around with it. But he's gonna check through his phone, and yeah, hopefully the misfire is completely gone. What the fuck are you listening to? What the fuck? Flexing the lights, flexing the new lights. What the fuck? I like those fucking little pop-up lights. They look like eyes. Like, what? He looks high as fuck. Oh, fucking flexing has a manual. Wow. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. The ticking noise on the 3-valve engines, you just need to switch out the spark plugs, because at least that's all for me. I just fixed the spark plugs and fixed the issue. And as always, I did forget to make an outro. It is what? Almost 10 at night. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy the video, and catch you guys on the next one.